Hey, good morning, Financial Math. This is going to be your lesson for 316. Okay, so what we've got is, this is your worksheet for today. Okay, you have the paper copy, but it is also on your Google Classroom. So if you need it, you can go there to get it also. Now, I'm going to do example. I'm going to help you go through example 2, and then we'll also kind of look at example 4. So if you were paying attention or if you were wanting to get the extra help on Friday, then you already have this information. If not, then we'll do it right now. So for number 2, it says, what's the new balance for the credit card statement shown? So your billing date, that's just the date, we're not worried about it. The previous balance, so this is how much was in the account, $439.16. Then you have a financial charge. Well, if they're charging you, that means they're taking that money from you. So if they're charging you $4.51, then you're going to take your previous balance and you're going to subtract or minus the $4.51. Well, then you have payments or credits. Well, if you have a credit to your account, that means they're giving you back money or you're putting money into your account. So for here, you're adding back or paying to your account $85. So if we're adding it back to the account, then I'm going to have my previous balance, $439, subtract my finance charge, and then add my payment or credit. And then finally, I have a new purchase. A new purchase means I bought something. Well, if you're purchasing or buying, that means you're going to have to pay money for it. That money has to come out of your account. So this one is also going to be another subtraction. So all you have to do to get your new balance is take your previous balance, subtract the finance charge, add your payment and credits, and then subtract your new purchase amounts, and that will give you what your new balance is. If you need a calculator, you can use the one on your phone, or you can go to Desmos.com and it will have a calculator there that will let you do this calculation. All right, so example 4, this one is the exact same setup table-wise, but they've given you all your information in sentences. So we need to make sure that we look and see we get everything in the right spot. So complete the account statement. The previous balance was $675.98. So again, that's previous balance. So I'm going to go find that box and I'm going to put that number in it. So 675.98. Okay, then the next one says, well, there's payments of $300. So payments is going to go in our payment box. Then we've got new purchases. So the new purchases are $12.77, $45.30, and $56.34. All of those are purchases. All 3 of those have to fit into your purchase box. So we're going to squeeze all 3 of those amounts into this one little box. So $12.77, $45.30, and then finally $56.34. And then lastly, it tells us our finance charge. Finance charge is our box right here, and it's $13, so we're going to put it in there. Now it just defaults back to example 2. So I know previous balance, I'm going to subtract the charge. Then I'm going to add the credit or payment. Then I'm going to subtract my new purchases. And in this case, there are 3 of them that I have to subtract. So I take previous balance minus the charge plus the payment and then subtract all 3 of these. And that will finally get me my new balance answer. That's it for worksheet 1. Good luck. If you need me, I'm here all day, okay? Don't hesitate to email. Bye, y'all.